Welcome to Srikaram channel. We are doing Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 Sankhya Yoga. In my previous video, I was talking about being equanimous, whether we win or lose. In this video, I am going to continue Krishna's conversation with Arjuna. Now Krishna, in the beginning of second chapter, he says, "Oh, what will people think about you, Arjuna, if you don't fight? They will think you're a loser. Come on, wake up. Take your bow and arrow and then start fighting." This is what Krishna said. Now Krishna is saying, don't worry about what people think about you. See, this is completely opposite of what he said in the beginning of the chapter. Even Arjuna in fact says, "Krishna, please tell me one thing. You are the most confusing person. You have been telling different things at different times. I want only one formula." See, but how is it possible? Life is so complex and we want to box it with formulas. Life doesn't have any formulas that this is what it is and this is how it is. Yes or no? Because truth can be approached in different forms. Truth is not something which is constant, it changes. You want an example? Truth is multidimensional. For example, if I'm staying in this place, somebody coming from north, their direction to my house is different. Somebody staying in the east, if they have to come to my house, their GPS shows different directions. From the west, it is different. From the south, they have to come forward. So, but this all are truths. So same destination and different truths. If you see a circle and then there is radius in the center of the circle. From the center of the circle, if you want to go to the end of the circle, there are a million possibilities. For example, if you're staying at the end of the circle, to approach the center, there are thousands, millions of ways, infinite ways. Yes? Though they are all truths. It is not a linear thinking that it starts somewhere and ends somewhere. Truth is multidimensional, like a spherical way. If you have to come up with a spherical way. And life is not so straight, it's straight line. It is very complex. And you cannot approach something which is very complex with a simple attitude. You have to approach it in a complex way only. People are so averse to any complexity. It is not, they want all simple mathematics. 2 plus 2 is 4. For if you want to know, there is something called as higher mathematics where 2 plus 2 is not 4. It could be 5 or anything else. So Arjuna felt it is confusing. Unless you find the truth, there is some churning, some confusion is okay. Once you sail through all the confusion only, you will have a better clarity. Otherwise, somebody forcing something on you and then you have to, you are accepting it by somebody's rubbing some knowledge on you, it will not stay. It has to come from within. That coming from within happens only and only when you ask and then you churn inside and then it will come out. Let it deliver from inside. Now Krishna is saying is, leave what others will think. Whether you win or lose, you are the boss. What difference does it make? It's just like a game. Just play your part and then be your boss. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.